morning students, welcome to English literature class. This video is for class 8. Today we are going to start with chapter number 1, The Shoemaker of Paris, written by Charles Dickens. This extract is taken from the novel named as A Tale of Two Cities by Charles Dickens. It talks about the French Revolution as its drawback. French Revolution was an event in modern European history which began in the year 1789 and ended in the year 1790. Some of the causes of this event were there was poor harvest, cattle diseases, and also there was increase in the bread prices. There was unrest among the common people and they were imposed with the heavy taxes. Before the French Revolution, we see that they were divided into three social groups called as estates. The first group included the clergy, the second group included the nobles, and the third group included the commoners. Most of the people were members of the third estate and they had to pay most of the taxes while the others lived with luxury and got all the high ranking jobs. So these were some of the causes of the French Revolution, and this story also illustrates about the doctor who was imprisoned and had lost his battle with time and manner, by which he is reunited with his daughter. It highlights the agony of a daughter who remains separated from a father for a long time. Agony means physical or a mental pain. As she was separated from her father from a long time, this shows her agony, and this lesson talks about the year 1775 and the place is Paris, the capital of France. Paris was a very great and rich city, but some parts of the city were very poor. The district which was poorest of all was Saint Antoine. There the people, they lived in great poverty. They were hungry, ragged and desperate. Misery hung like a black cloud over Saint Antoine. The meaning of desperate is hopeless. The people were hopeless. They did not have any hope because they were very poor. They did not have anything to eat. They did not have jobs, and also they had to pay taxes. So some people, they suffered a lot. And here it is talking about one day, that is one dull November day, and there was laughter in Saint Antoine. A barrel of wine had fallen from a passing cart, and when it had fallen, it broke, and the wine had run out all over the road. The holes in the road had become pools of red wine. The miserable people rushed out to drink what they could. Some fell on their knees and drank like dogs. Others collected the wine in their hands. Some others dipped rags into the wine. They laughed. Laughter was a strange sound in Saint Antoine. Now we see here they have given the incident of one November day, that a barrel of wine had fallen from a passing cart, and when it fell down it broke, and the wine, it ran all over the road. And these miserable people, when they saw this incident, they rushed out to drink what they could, and they fell on their knees and they started drinking like dogs. And some of them, they collected the wine in their hands, and some other, they dipped their rags into the wine. And they laughed. They were very happy to see the wine. They were getting wine to drink, so they were very happy. And laughter was a strange sound in Saint Antoine because from a long time they had never laughed, and so this was a strange sound in this city. And then we see a tall thin man dipped his finger into the red wine and he wrote on the wall, blood. Now students, the remaining part of the story we will continue in the next video.